Good Saturday, everyone, and a rainy Saturday it is shaping up to be. Our 5-day forecast brought to you by Clearview Closet and Blind. Visit them at closetandblind.com to see how they can offer creative solutions for your home. 100% chance of rain for today, that is for sure. Could be a little breezy as well. Southeast breezes from 10 to 15. Might see some isolated gusts to 20 from now and again. Some of those storms could be strong this afternoon and evening. We're going to have to warm up a little bit more than we are right now, though, before we can get anything like that. But I'll talk more about that in just a moment. We will be on the back side of that low as it comes very close to the Cumberland Plateau. So that has increased our precipitation chances for Sunday. And as colder air kind of works its way in, we'll see snowflakes mixing in with that rain. And so we're looking at a good chance for rain and snow mix to changing to snow, just kind of back and forth, kind of a wintry day as it looks right now. Now, I am monitoring that very closely, so I will do a special update tonight to keep you updated on the latest data coming in from that, because that track of that low keeps changing just a little bit, and so we always watch those tracks to see what kind of impacts we may get from both liquid and wintry precipitation. Look at those highs tomorrow, high of 40, low of 30, so we're very chilly with northwest winds 10 to 15 gusting as high as 25 miles per hour. So a very wintry day on tap for us for Sunday. Monday, we're back to partly to mostly cloudy. Again, highs around 40, so we're still chilly. Then we warm up a little bit on Tuesday, highs around 50. Got a little clipper system coming through Tuesday night into Wednesday that may bring a couple of showers to the plateau. Not looking like a big deal at all at this point. So first of all, before we talk about the wintry threat tomorrow, we'll talk about the severe threat for today. So the Storm Prediction Center has now included the southern half of Cumberland County in the marginal risk for severe weather for this afternoon and evening. And this is the lowest of the 5 risk categories. And I frankly feel this is a little overdone. I think as we go through the day, we have another update coming at 11. I have a feeling they'll trim this down a little bit more because we're just chilly and rainy today, so it's kind of stable. Now, we do have a break in the precipitation coming later on that could help the atmosphere destabilize a bit more. But all in all, I don't think we're looking at anything too troublesome. The slight risk, which is the next level up, is all the way down into southern Alabama now. They did trim that back, so gusty winds would be the main threat and some heavy rainfall. On this date, 1820, Russian Antarctic expedition led by Fabian Gottlieb and von Belich and Mikhail Lazarev discovered the continent of Antarctica. I may not be able to pronounce their names, but they did make a heck of a discovery by discovering an entirely new continent. In 1989, the last half of January was bitterly cold over Alaska. Nearly 30 stations established all-time record low temperatures. On this date, Tanana reported a low of negative 76 degrees. Can you even begin to imagine? Daily highs of negative 66 degrees were reported at Chandler Lake on the 22nd and at Ambler on the 26th. So my goodness, I meant to look it up, but usually when Alaska is bitterly cold, those of us in the eastern U.S. are very warm. So I imagine we had some very warm air in the second half of January in 1989. I'll have to look that up for you all. Again, I'll do a special update again this evening to update you on the wintry threat for Sunday. Again, right now, not looking too problematic. But the track of that low, if it shifts a little bit more, we get a little bit more colder air coming in here, then we might be looking at some wintry impacts. So I'll update you again this evening, and I'll keep an eye on the storms today just in case a strong one or two works its way up in our neck of the woods. I'll be watching it all. You just keep it right here at meteorologistmark.com.